कि गाड़ी पहले आई या रथ पहले आया?
uh,
कि पद्मनाभ में ज्यादा पैसा है कि आपके जेबों में ज्यादा पैसा है? तो बोले पद्मनाभ भगवान के पास ज्यादा पैसा है। बोला क्यों है? वी कांट डू समथिंग ऑफ आवर ओन चॉइस व्हेन इट हैज बीन डन फ्रॉम द एंसेस्ट्रल टाइम।
Absolutely. प्रवीण चंद्र महाराज के ऊपर थोड़ा सा और अगर what I have read and known that he had decided to fight elections. They won most of the seats of Bastar.
कि गाड़ी पहले आई या रथ पहले आया? तो बोले रथ पहले आया। तो मैं बोला कि पद्मनाभ में ज्यादा पैसा है कि आपके जेबों में ज्यादा पैसा है? तो बोले पद्मनाभ भगवान के पास ज्यादा पैसा है। बोला क्यों है पता है? क्योंकि वो भगवान है, उनको उनके पास हमारे सबको मिला के भी उनके पास उतने से ज्यादा है। तो वी कांट डू समथिंग ऑफ आवर ओन चॉइस व्हेन इट हैज बीन डन फ्रॉम द एंसेस्ट्रल टाइम।
Absolutely, absolutely.
The size should be the same, the function should be the same, because she will run it. Who are we? We are just here for some time.
हाँ, ठीक है, परफेक्ट है जी, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। टाइम हम आपका नहीं लेना चाहेंगे। मैं थोड़ा सा अगर आप प्रवीण चंद्र महाराज के ऊपर थोड़ा सा और अगर यू नो कुछ few things more if you could share. For example, what I have read and known that he had decided to fight elections. They won most of the seats of Bastar. और लोग ऐसा भी बताते थे कि वो जब निकलते थे महारानी के साथ, तो मतलब and he was very tall. I've seen his photographs. He has long hair. And you know, and बोलते बहुत लंबे हाथ थे उनके, पता नहीं क्या कहते हैं। There's so much you know about him. Of course, we can go on and on, but if you would like to share, you know, at least few things more about उनका जो the last you know his why he decided to fight, and you know ये क्या प्रकरण क्या था
ये जो एक्चुअली द प्रवीण महाराज का, जैसा आपको मैंने बताया, जीवनी तो बहुत सिंपल रही। ही वाज बोर्न एंड ये सब मैंने आपको बता ही दिया। इसमें सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात जो प्रवीण महाराज की आती थी, बिकॉज ब्रिटिश रेजिम से वो किंग बन गए, डेमोक्रेसी आ गई। 1950 में डेमोक्रेसी आने के बाद 1953 में पहला इलेक्शंस हुए कंट्री में। आई थिंक सो 1953 होना चाहिए। 52-53 होगा। So first election happened. That time he became the MLA from the Congress.
Okay.
Now you have to be very interesting in this. He became the MLA and the जिला अध्यक्ष of undivided Bastar state. Right now अभी 7 जिले हैं। उस समय वो एक ही जिला हुआ करता था। He was the district president. और उस समय भारतीय जनता पार्टी नहीं बनी थी, जनसंघ भी नहीं आई थी, स्वतंत्र पार्टी हुआ करती थी।
करेक्ट।
और स्वतंत्र पार्टी हुआ करती थी जिसमें विजय राजे सिंधिया और राजमाता गायत्री देवी जी थी। तो मैं आपको इसमें इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ ये चीज, because this will come to the end of the story.
Correct.
When he started, there were lot of things which he was against, like the Belladilla iron ore plant. That was the first spark to the fire. He wanted that cannot be nationalized. What he wanted that it should made a corporation.
All right.
And corporation bana karke the stakeholders will be all the villagers of the Bastar state. Because he could see the four-way of that, because right now it is one of the 9 gems of the country. Itna paisa Bharat desh ko sirf NMDC plant se mil raha.
Correct.
And that was owned by the royal family of Bastar. We found it, we extracted it, and we were the person who made the rail line also.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I didn't know.
He has the documents of that.
Unbelievable.
And that was done in Maharani Praful Kumari times. And who was enjoying it was Maharaj Praveen Chandra, because he was Nabalik. Definitely the administrator will enjoy it, Mr. Gibson or Mr. Hates.
Correct.
They used to take care. Now the system became wrong when it came to Nehru और उनके बीच में conflicts हो गई। नेहरू जी ने बोला कि इनको nationalize करना, बोले नहीं करेंगे। Then there's again a twist. Hyderabad Nizam wanted that Bastar Maharaj and me will make a new country.
अच्छा.
That is another conspiracy in the center of it. When Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel wanted to intervene and say that कि महाराज ऐसा मत करिए, नहीं तो बहुत दिक्कत होगी। एक तरफ पाकिस्तान हो जा रहा है, एक तरफ बांग्लादेश की लड़ाई चली रही है, और आप इधर भी कर देंगे तो it will be like a Muslim territory, because Hyderabad is also a very big state as well as Bastar is also a very larger state.
Right.
So Hyderabad Nizam के साथ बस्तर रियासत ने एक लड़ाई करी थी। ये भी बड़ा interesting है। That we fought the richest man in the country, in the world that time, and we defeated him, and the Belladilla iron ore came to Bastar state.
Oh, I somehow don't know this. I mean, it's
Yes.
amazing.
And we fought it, and आज भी वहां पे स्तंभ लगा हुआ है बस्तर रियासत, उसमें लिखा है बस्तर रियासत इधर उधर हैदराबाद.
अच्छा.
Nobody should enter this side.
My God.
That hills है ना, this like hills.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Hills के इस तरफ हम है, बस्तर है. Hills के पीछे जो था, हैदराबाद निजाम wanted to fight and take over this and make यहाँ से बस्तर state.
अच्छा.
हिल के इस तरफ. हमने, हमारा तो ये था ही था. मगर इन्होंने यहाँ फोर्स लाई, तो हमने यहाँ से चढ़ाई करके इनसे लड़ा और इनको फिर पीछे हटाया और बोला यहाँ से बस्तर स्टेट है, ये हिल्स पूरे बस्तर में आएंगे. तो देयर आर 152 हिल्स, मतलब माउंटेन्स भी कह सकते हैं. ये आप तो देखे ही हैं, वो पूरा वहां से चालू होता है कोस्टल कांकेर, इतना बड़ा है. वो पूरा का पूरा बस्तर रियासत के महाराजाओं ने लड़ करके बचा, क्योंकि they knew that it will go give so much of income. That is Pravir Maharaj's vision, that people did not like it, and especially the family who still thinks that they can rule the country. That is the major problem. The second issue came when he came to Bastar for an election campaign. Maharaj did not go and meet him.
Oh.
At the airstrip of Bastar state.
अच्छा.
Palace के पास में. तो वहां पे नहीं गए, तो वो that was a spark to the ego of his that कि वो क्यों नहीं आए.
अच्छा.
That was the second. Third thing was there was a lot of problems with the agricultural problems of the tribal area, and they were like, there was a lot of fight between the Schedule 6, Schedule 5 of this entire, because the section एक होता है Schedule 6, Schedule 5. These are for the tribal areas which are like जैसे हमारा मिजोरम है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. मैं बहुत 6 शेड्यूल में बहुत रहा हूँ.
जी जी जी. तो ये चीजों के ऊपर का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं हो रहा था और पब्लिक बहुत नाराज चलती थी. तो प्रवीर महाराज ने कांग्रेस से इस्तीफा दे दिया.
अच्छा.
इस्तीफा दे के उन्होंने अपनी पार्टी खोल दी, नोन एज महाराजा पार्टी.
अच्छा.
Then the next election after that was held when he did not contest, but he made around 8 MLAs of his own, and everyone won it with a standing majority.
Correct.
And then there was one more brutal thing happened in his life, because these all led to the last massacre. Was that कि when he was नेहरू जी से लड़ाई हुई, तो नेहरू जी को बोलने का कि भाई हमारे आपसे लड़ाई तो है नहीं, और ना ही मैं हैदराबाद से राज बना रहा हूँ. So then he met Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Delhi and said that I am ready to sign the agreement with the government of India, and I am not doing it. And that time Mr. Korea Maharaj थे हमारे, जो छत्तीसगढ़ का एक और रियासत है, वो कोरिया करके उनका नाम है, not the Korea.
Yeah.
It's Korea state. So they both went and told, and that time he settled down that we are not merging with to form a new country. We will be with the part of the country. But Maharaj said that we want that Bastar state should have been a special state का दर्जा दिया जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे ट्राइबल्स हैं और एजुकेशन की मात्रा कम है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग कम है, और जगह जो है बहुत कन्फाइंड है. मतलब एरिया बड़ा है, बट डेंसिटी बहुत कम है लोगों के रहने की. There are very few people in areas. So इनको हमको अच्छा सा प्रोटेक्शन देना पड़ेगा. तो that was again said no. So these were all things which led, and then secondly was कि जब वो मिलने गए नेहरू जी से, तो that became a huge conflict getting up, because महाराज का conflict तो चल ही रहा था कांग्रेस से 1-1. Now he went from Bastar to Delhi with few subjects, and उस जमाने में जाकर के प्रगति मैदान में उन्होंने धरना डाला against the government of the central government. I'm like shocked. A king of that stature going to Delhi, and he did a fasting as well as fought for the tribal rights there with the people.
Oh.
And that hit the government very badly.
Oh.
Us samay was the uprise of Swatantra Party.
Hanji.
And all these people were like gearing up.
Right.
With, Now what happened that 62 के आसपास, when he was coming back from Delhi, उनको नजरबंद कर दिया गया. नजरबंद मतलब जैसा आप जानते ही नजरबंद क्या होता है, कि उनको एक कन्फाइन कर दिया गया. पर उनको नजरबंद करते करते साथ जेल में भी डाल दिया गया, नरसिंहगढ़ का जेल में, मध्य प्रदेश में. उसी दिन एक सभा होने की थी लौंडीगुड़ा में, जो हमारे, आप चित्रकूट गए हो, उसके पास में लौंडीगुड़ा गांव,
मालूम है मुझे.
वहां पे बहुत बड़ा एक सेमिनार रख रहे थे महाराज, बिकॉज ही वाज अ पॉलिटिकल लीडर आल्सो।
करेक्ट।
सो बोले कि एक लीडर होगी जिसमें बड़े बड़े लोग, जो बड़े बड़े माजीज थे, मुखिया थे, जो हमारे दशहरा के थे, सब लोग वहां मौजूद थे। ही डिड नॉट कम देयर। When he did not come there, so there was a rift between the tribals and the government officers that why Maharaj is not here.
Oh.
Later on, there was a confine between them, and there was a firing done by the police, and lot of Adivasis were killed in Londigooda also, 1962.
Acha.
And there's a book written by Pravir Maharaj known as Londigooda Tarangani. Again, a written book by the Pravir Maharaj, and said that it is a painful act that people were killed because of me. And I was not present there. And वो तो नजरबंद थे.
हाँ जी.
फिर वो यहाँ वापस आए तो it was all a conspiracy held by the government. उसमें एक पांडे कमीशन बैठाया गया.
हाँ जी.
कि ये कैसे हुआ. तो उसमें पूरे तरीके से मिस हैपनिंग्स बताई गई कि महाराज वॉर करना चाह रहे थे. एक तो सीजनल था, आप जानते हैं बस्तर दशहरा में हर फंक्शंस बड़े होते हैं. So there were a lot of people. या बाजार लगा हुआ था पैलेस में भी, पैलेस के बाहर में भी. तो people were there, thousands of people. And it was unfortunate that after 1962 के गोलीकांड के बाद महाराज साहब was a bit, he knew that, क्योंकि because वो माता से बात भी करते थे, he knew that he is not living much more. So then he used to be more into, like भगवाधारी कह सकते हैं, मतलब फैमिली से
पूजा में ज्यादा थे.
पूजा पाठ में इसमें ज्यादा रहते थे. And then unfortunately 25th March 1966 there was an order from the government. That time DP Mishra was the chief minister of undivided Madhya Pradesh, where we were the part of it. And then there was Narona karke was the commissioner, and there was Akbar karke the collector of Bastar. So the orders were given from the top to bottom that there's an agitation, just see and shoot. So many people were killed. My father used to tell me when I was very young, he used to tell me कि करीब 2-2 फीट से लेकर के 4-4 फीट तक डेड बॉडीज थे पूरे घरों में. And the blood was like 1 to 2 inches floating on the rooms of the palace, and there were huge amount of massacre killing. And on the Pandey commission, it was only written that 12 log mare gaye. How can that happen? And all the bodies were dumped in Chitrakoot waterfalls. Certain were burnt in some of the jungles next, because आप जानते हैं बस्तर जगदलपुर के आजू बाजू जंगल इतने, वहां पे बंट उसमें बॉडीज को डाल करके पेड़ों को काट के जला दिया गया ताकि वो बॉडीज ही ना मिले. हजारों, मतलब it's like countless, because I was not born, but it was huge massacre happened. And that was the place where I could say that the Naxalism what has grown now must be one of the factors that they must be taking the advantage of it. It can be. It can be.
It can be one of Maoism, Naxalism.
Yes, it can be. Whether we cannot judge it.
In fact, Gurudev also says when our icons are attacked, it leads to depression in the populace, and it makes the population directionless. So जब हमारी जनमानस दिशाहीन हो जाती है, उनके आइकॉन्स चले जाते हैं, तो फिर वो कोई भी ऐसा पथ पकड़ लेते हैं. और बल्कि कोइंसिडेंटली मेरा जो ऑलमोस्ट सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन वो यही है, माओवाद के ऊपर ही है, कि बहुत डिटेल में तो नहीं, बट कुछ आपके उसके ऊपर कुछ आपने यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, तो उस पे थोड़ा सा.
I just wanted to say on this is that sometimes when our government was there, the BJP was there, and so because as you know that I am a part of the party, so we tried to always say that we can have a peace talk. Always was the scene, and Gurudev also wanted that.
Sure.
Everyone wanted that. But there were a lot of mishappenings, because right now what is happening, you'll be shocked to know this August and September, this months I'm talking, last 2 months, there were some 10 to 12 innocent tribals were just killed.
Oh, really?
Sleeping in the house.
My God.
So this massacre is happening bigger and bigger day by day. We are losing in our home grounds only, because anyone is getting killed, our Jawans are getting killed, and it's become a bloodshed. Absolutely. And it has, I think, I can be wrong, but I can be right in that way that जितना जम्मू कश्मीर में नहीं हुआ उससे ज्यादा लोग शायद बस्तर में मर जाएंगे एक समय के बाद।
बहुत
आज
बहुत
स्थिति बहुत खराब होते जा रही है। और
हाँ,
सेकंड एक और चीज हमें जिसमें जोड़ना चाहूंगा मैं, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है,
हाँ,
आज कन्वर्जन बहुत बढ़ रहा है।
ओ,
इट हैज बिकम लाइक अ, जैसे हम पेड़ में बोलते हैं ना दीमक लग गया है,
ओ,
सामने से कुछ दिखता है और अंदर तो खोखला हो चुका है।
ओ,
उस तरीके से इतना ज्यादा चल
हम्म,
रहा है, आप मानेंगे नहीं, करीब इस लॉकडाउन में 6 इंसिडेंसेस मेरे सामने आए
अच्छा,
जिसमें कि मंदिरों को तोड़ दिया गया।
रियली,
यस, टेम्पल्स वर ब्रोकन
माय गॉड,
एंड दैट टू वेयर,
हाँ,
not in the city areas,
हाँ,
inside the jungles.
आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज्ड।
So you must be understanding what I'm trying to say.
मैं तो रहा हूँ, मैं तो जंगलों में
So,
रहा
so
हूँ।
these are the things happening in a very big scale. I'm not talking there's a small scale. It's like huge scale that work is going on. So these are the things which one needs to take care of. And the government right now is very lenient. We are scared to go out. We don't know where what will happen. Because people are getting killed now and then. कोई पता चला कौन था, एक पदाधिकारी था, उसको गला रेंद के मार दिया गया। कल कोई पदाधिकारी कोई गया था बाजार में, उसको चक्कू घोप के वहीं मार दिया गया। So that's, it's become like a very unrest thing within the country, and it's a very painful affair that has to stop.
राइट, दूसरा अभी आई एम कमिंग टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन। तो वो ये है कि मेरे ऐसे ख्याल में आया था कि जैसे राजस्थान के रॉयल्स हैं, काफी सारे रॉयल फैमिलीज हैं, वो लोग ने अपने पैलेसेस को होटल्स में कन्वर्ट किया। आई बीन टू सम ऑफ देम। तो मेरे ऐसे ख्याल में आया कि मोस्टली जो रॉयल फैमिली के लोग होते हैं, टिपिकली दे ईदर गो इनटू पॉलिटिक्स व्हिच यू चोज टू डू, or they also alternatively go into becoming using their properties for as to promote tourism and or start a hotel or whatever. So Bastar unfortunately is known more for Maoist than for tourism. So पर जितना rich heritage है, मेरा ये, this is my independent view. So अगर वहाँ पे Maoism नहीं होता इस तरह का, तो मेरे ख्याल से it would have become a tourist hotspot with the Shera of Bastar, and with maybe you could also create some heritage property which could be a 5-star hotel. I'm giving you ideas, I don't know. So anyhow, तो वो मतलब आपने कभी ये सब सोचा है या ऐसा कुछ, या मतलब आप तो राजनीति में है इस वक्त, but still I'm glad.
Yeah, but like this, Samij, I have thought. But there is a lot of difference if I see the royalties of Rajasthan and Bastar royalty.
हाँ जी,
बस्तर के लोग इस घर को घर मानते हैं. I'm shocked. Like sometimes in Dashera,
हाँ,
people come in this palace. वैसे मैं तो अभी
आपने
sitting in one of the bedrooms.
जो बात बोली ना, इस घर को घर मानते हैं, this is really so touching.
And you will be shocked. उन लोग आते हैं, उनको ये नहीं बोलना होता है कि यहाँ मत सो, वो आएंगे, अपना खाना लाएंगे, अपना जहाँ भी आंगन देखेंगे, like we have corridors, it's a huge property.
Huge property.
They will come and they will just sleep. So then there's a problem. If you make it a hotel,
हाँ,
where
तो
they
नहीं हो
will
पाए,
go?
तो नहीं हो पाए।
So that is their home.
नहीं,
And
वो
in
पूरा
that
context
75
अलग हो गया।
days, in the 75 days, they feel that this is my home. I am coming to my Maharaj place, and somebody treats me as a brother. Someone treats me as a as a Maharaja, someone Raja. Well, there is their own feeling to this family.
सही
So
बात,
I would like to live this heritage
सही बात, absolutely.
rather than living a life of my own in
हाँ,
a place where money, I will say that it should be secondary in life. First thing should be the service to your people and your society.
हाँ, वो you are right, because in Rajasthan, one of the, you go to these palace hotels, so if you, unless you are not paying in dollars, you will not even get to see the place.
You're not allowed to enter.
Enter. So मैं तो, I mean, just off the record, if I can say this, तो मैंने तो I have been to some of the palaces. मैंने बोला हाँ मेरे तो room book करना or something like that. There are such beautiful things which the population of this country doesn't get to see. हम हमारे जनमानस को मालूम ही नहीं है, हमारा इतना रिच हेरिटेज है, बट वो ऐसे ही एक कोने में कुछ लोग के लिए रखा हुआ है.
And Joris, you'll be shocked to know,
हाँ जी.
Joris, because you know a lot of people in Bastar. You can ask them. We open up the palace.
क्या बात.
And the best part is they know that Maharaj यहाँ रहते हैं. These places, there are certain sections of the palace which I use.
Right.
And then you'll be shocked. I don't need a security for that. हजारों के तादाद में लोग. Nobody will enter. I know it.
Oh.
And if I'm not sitting on my throne,
हाँ जी.
so मेरे throne की पूजा होती है.
अच्छा.
Because I can't sit for 24 hours there.
Obviously not.
So they will come and do the puja, and आज भी नजराना पेश होता है.
Oh.
आज भी. I'm talking about today's world, which is 21st century, and we have got gadgets, people are educated. But there is one thing which always Gurudev says, and I also believe in that, that our heritage and our culture should always be preserved, because this is the only thing which will. आज हम सुदर्शन क्रिया करके ही अपनी बड़ी बड़ी टेंशन को खत्म कर पाए. To be very frank on this, because and I was shocked that when this COVID-19 came up, the shocking thing for me was आप काढ़ा पिए, आप सांसों का एक्सरसाइज करिए. The doctors who have the MBBS, but sometimes you think that old things has to be neglected to get into the new life. I would say you should preserve your heritage and culture and be modern. Correct. In terms of getting it into a different level.
Yes.
What Gurudev does.
Yes.
Getting it into a different level means that yoga can be, a celebrity thing also.
Yes.
But it can be done from a small villager also can be benefited from there without paying a single penny from the pocket, because you don't need a doctor to take care of.
वैसे मैं आपको यहाँ interrupt करूँगा. Interestingly, most of the interviews recently that I have taken is of people कोई surrendered militant का लिया है, ऐसे लोगों का लिया है, और अब मैं आज एक रॉयल फैमिली के पर्सन का ले रहा हूँ. तो somebody from the royal family has also, उसका भी अधिकार है सुदर्शन क्रिया करने का, जैसे एक surrendered militant का है. So this is the string. गुरुदेव कहते हैं हमारा काम सूत्रधार का काम है. तो ये एक स्ट्रिंग है जो वैल्यू सिस्टम का, या जो हमारी संस्कृति है, हेरिटेज है, जो हमारी धरोहर है, जो हम सबको आपस में बांधी हुई है.
जी. और सबसे बड़ी चीज समझिए, देखिए ना, आज सब कुछ बंद हो गया. अगर एक तरीके से देखेंगे आप, मगर हमारी पद्धति आज भी जीवित है. Even the people from the America or maybe France, maybe Italy, Spain, I've seen a lot of videos. Yes. They are doing. Absolutely. They are doing namaskar. You have seen that videos going viral.
हमारी संस्कृति में तो social distancing हमेशा से था.
So there are so much of things which one should take it as a pride. Good. But unfortunately, we are running a race where we don't know where we are heading. As you said, Gurudev आज हमें जो ज्ञान दे रहे हैं, that is the ज्ञान, and you'll be shocked. Yeah, this I wanted to share it with you. I was reading this book of Swami Nigmanand of our Guru old.
मैं समझ गया.
तो स्वामी निगमानंद का, उसमें मैंने देखा कि उसमें एक मंत्र था. उसने हमारे लोगों ने पूछा होगा, हमारे एंसेस्टर्स ने, ऐसा कौन सा मंत्र जो हमें बोलना चाहिए. एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड एंड आई शोड इट टू अजय सिंह जी आल्सो. अच्छा. You know Ajay Singh? It is written Soham there.
ठीक है.
So I'm talking about which is, it is nothing that, it was there. And Gurudev is the only platform which has reached to billions and trillions of people in the world. And I was thankful to Gurudev because, when this lockdown happened, if you remember, there was live meditations for 30 minutes and 40 minutes sessions. You'll be sure, Swamiji, we did every day. I made my mother, Rajmata Sahab, my sister Maharaj Kumari Sahaba, we all used to come to one single room and do meditation with Gurudev, so that we could feel that energy, and that Guru can give us a path to walk on. Just giving everything to Gurudev is like, it's our responsibility of also to do the rituals which he has told us to.
Absolutely. For our own.
I call it as a ritual because हम ब्रश करते हैं, जैसे
हाँ.
गुरुदेव कहते हैं हम ब्रश करते हैं, तो हमें सुदर्शन क्रिया should be like a brush.
Brush.
That should be a brush for your soul, not for your body.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
And it has I will say that कि it has made me calm.
हाँ जी.
And it has lot of effects, and you cannot see it in some days. What I understood is it has to be done for a
थोड़ा कुछ
longer duration to understand the
उसका पूरा बेनिफिट जानने के लिए. और मैं आपके साथ एक और बात शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि पूज्य गुरुदेव ने इसका एक और वर्जन अभी निकाला है जिसको बोलते हैं सुदर्शन चक्र क्रिया. तो अब आप एडवांस कोर्स कर लेंगे वंस यू डू पार्ट 2 ऑफ द प्रोग्राम जो 3 दिन का होता है, आजकल ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, आपको जब समय मिले कर लेना. So then you qualify to do that also. That is even more energizing. I also first time I practiced it last about week 10 days back, and I started teaching. And I will be sharing a video. Maybe I'll send to you as well. Somebody who wanted to commit suicide actually changed his mind after he did this new version of this version.
It is important, and because today youth reads it, what I feel is youth are into a position, because as I was the youth minister, you know that in the Chhattisgarh, because सब यही बोलते थे कि महाराज मैं करूं क्या. Only one question was there.
Right.
What is next?
What is next?
And when you're not being able to focus on a single aim, you can't reach.
Yes. Yes.
जैसे हम गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, अगर हमको बैंगलोर जाना है, आश्रम जाना है, और हम भटकते भटकते जा रहे हैं, तो ना तो हम आश्रम पहुंच पाएंगे.
हाँ जी.
So basically you are diverted in your head because of lot of things happening in this world.
Right.
And I feel that these जो हमारे गुरुदेव ने दिए हैं, और गुरुदेव का तो चरण भी हमारे पैलेस में, he had come down. Yes, he आए हैं गुरुदेव, and literally he said that when he came, कि बोले यहाँ पे बहुत अत्याचार हुआ है इस राज्य में. So he also felt it. He was there. He came to this palace, and he was there, and he could say that, and after that he said that कि कभी भी हो आश्रम आओ. So I went to the ashram. I had come down to the ashram for.
हाँ जी.
I did my happiness.
में भाग लिए थे, काफी पूजा वगैरह करवाए थे.
जी. तो हम लोग वहाँ आए थे, and then secondly what I felt was that you need a path of a guru to reach there. That I am very sure of.
100%.
No doubt. And always the kingdoms. You talk about Maharana Pratap, हमारे प्रवीर महाराज. These were the people who had a guru to guide them, and when the times were tough, because it's not an easy world today.
Absolutely.
And stress, and lot of the diseases are coming from stress. Nothing else. Tension and stress.
Absolutely.
And this is the only thing, and it was very, I'm very thankful to you that we could have gone for hours and hours together for
no, it's fine. In fact, it has been extremely enriching. I'm done with all the questions I had noted down, but there was something you were mentioning when we had spoken before we sort of started this interview on the phone. You were saying you were talking, actually it doesn't fit into any particular question, but into the larger cultural context. Like for example, a tribal woman, the clothes she, for example, wears or doesn't wear actually. So what we understand as modernism or westernism, there is a very subtle उसमें एक difference है. तो वैसे you have already touched upon it, but वो आप जो दोहराए थे जो thought process था, if you could just share it again.
Because as you know that I studied in London. I went to London for my studies. So there is two concepts which are have it in our head. One is westernization.
Right.
Westernization is what? That is one question. Second is a modern culture.
Right.
So I believe the system of our generation or ancient generations. I'm talking about the Hindu religions which prevailed for centuries.
Correct.
They were very modern, and we compare this Western culture with our Indian culture, and I'm talking about Indian culture in terms aspects of a tribal culture, basically.
Yeah.
It is much more modern.
Yes.
Than the Western culture of a country.
100%.
Why?
100%.
Because you've been here. If you see the women here. So earlier, when I was young, I'm talking about, they never used to wear clothes.
Yes.
And still,
Yeah, sorry to interrupt you here. मेरे को एक पुलिस वाले ने, सीआरपी वाले ने, किसी इंस्पेक्टर ने मुझे बोला कि सर आपको पता है आजकल तो ये आदिवासी लेडीज भी बहुत मॉडर्न हो गई है। मैं अच्छा, तो मैं तो बाहर से आया था, मुझे तो कुछ भी पता नहीं था। कहते ये लोग भी ब्लाउज डालने लग गई हैं।
so so now you can understand the difference, because people don't know what is Western and what is modern. Modern was that we had a very open culture in our tribal section. First is about the clothing, which I told you, is that the women's were never, you can say that they were very open to their culture.
Correct.
And there was nothing known as, we never heard about rapes, basically, in Bastar. Unfortunately, अभी last Sunday में there was a brutally rape done of one of the कोंडागांव में एक लड़की के साथ बहुत ही अभद्र व्यवहार करके, there was a rape, and unfortunately that girl also committed a suicide.
My God.
So we were all doing we are doing the virodh of that. The government should be very vigilant on all these things. So what I'm trying to tell you, that Westernized culture, whenever it has had an influence over the tribal culture, they have destroyed the modern culture of our centuries which were there, because they don't have ethics. Whereas the modern culture, which I'm calling as a modern culture, is our Adivasi culture.
Correct.
That culture is so pure.
Absolutely.
What I'm trying to tell you, Samir, is like, for example, what I have seen in Bastar Dashera is कि एक जगह है जहाँ पे एक लेडी सो रही है. She is basically in lady story, मतलब समझ जाए कि सोना तो ये हो जाता है because then they don't wear anything, so it's very open type. And they're there, and the boy is sleeping next to her. They don't know each other. They've just come for the Dashera celebration. And there's 7-8 people sleeping in a random position. They don't have anything known as dirtiness in that.
Yes.
There is a purity in the heart and purity in the soul, because it does not lead to what do you call a mindset that is not there in the tribal sector ki ladka hai ya ladki hai. And when we compare it to the modernization, there's some party karne jate hain in Western culture. Chalo, we'll go, there's a Saturday night, today's a Friday night, so we'll go to Friday night, Saturday night, we'll enjoy, and we will make a boyfriend. For example, I'm saying that's a Western culture. When you take into the Adivasi tribal culture, they also go for Mela Mandai, जिनको हम घोटुल बुलाते हैं, आप सुने होंगे घोटुल का नाम. घोटुल में जाते हैं, they choose their husbands there, and they are ready to, certain. There are different sectors of tribal area. There are certain tribals. The girl is allowed to stay with a man before marriage. I'm talking. He is not. She is convinced to marry. Then they marry. This can be more than Western culture.
Yeah, this is more modern than anything one could imagine, actually.
Yes. So these are the cultures which I always say that what we the Westernized culture is trying to destroy the modern culture of our country. If you say the inventions of the countries or the lot of things which our country has developed in terms of temples also, if you see, it is one of the best temples to find in the world, the architectures or any art or culture. But now, because of this Westernized culture is overlapping the modern era, because we were always, I would say that we were number one in the world. Why? Because we had that rich culture.
Yes.
And still, if you go to Adivasi's places, like sort of, you have gone to that place like Gangalore or the entire areas inside the forest.
Yes.
आज भी वहाँ कहाँ ताला लगता है?
नहीं लगता है ही नहीं है ताला.
ताला ही नहीं है.
ताला ही नहीं.
So people are so clean and so clear about thought, but when there are certain things which they see or try to learn, and as they are new in brains, खाली दिमाग है, वो नई चीज को जल्दी अडॉप्ट करने का इच्छा होती है. उसमें चीजें धीरे धीरे बिगड़ती जा रही है. So this is the difference which I'm trying to tell you, is that the Westernized culture is trying to destroy the modern culture, which is, I think you will agree to it, that there is more modern than the Western culture.
Yes, 100%, without doubt.
Yeah, so these were the things which I was talking to you, that it's an amazing thing, because I was in London and how it happens in London. So there is always some strategy going on in Western world, that what is the coming out of it.
Right.
इसमें पैसा है, इसके पास वो है. There is something strategically going on. But in tribal culture, there's no strategy. They have just gone for enjoyment, and they're enjoying, and they like someone. They say that चलो ये पसंद है. Family also accepts it. यहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं, there's no rejection type of a place तो नहीं है कि आप गए, अरे I don't like his face, थ्रो हिम आउट, इस टाइप का तो है ही नहीं।
हाँ,
आदिवासी कल्चर में इज लाइक एक्सेप्टेंस फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स एंड द फैमिली हैज टू एक्सेप्ट इट। मेजरली अ गर्ल एक्सेप्ट्स इट,
right.
major community of our Bastar, and you'll be shocked to know that Bastar mein the population of women is higher than the men,
Yes, that's the biggest indicator of development or modernism, to my understanding.
and women are more safe here.
100%.
And this is the things which we need to understand this youth,
Yes.
that modernization का मतलब speaking English नहीं होता।
हाँ, निसंदेह।
मॉडर्नाइज का मतलब अच्छे कपड़े और जीन्स टी शर्ट पहनना नहीं
हाँ,
होता।
और
हम
अच्छी
कुर्ते
गाड़ी है।
पैजामे में पहन करके ही हम वेस्टर्नाइज हो सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं, बिकॉज वन शुड अंडरस्टैंड इज दैट कि श्री श्री रविशंकर जी के आश्रम
हाँ,
आज जितने हिंदुस्तान में नहीं होंगे
हाँ,
उससे ज्यादा विदेशों में है।
हाँ,
इसलिए है क्योंकि वो समझते हैं कि हमारा जो भारत देश का जो कल्चर है और
हाँ,
जो हमारी पद्धतियां हैं,
हाँ,
जीवन पद्धतियां हैं,
हाँ,
वो आज वेस्टर्न कल्चर जितना एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है
हाँ,
उतना शायद ही कोई देश
हाँ,
कर पाता होगा।
absolutely.
इतना ज्यादा एक्सेप्टेंस हो गया है चीजों का, क्यों? और आप देखिए ना, बहुत सारे बट इट इज रियली अमेजिंग टू सी that how westernized culture is destroying the lot of established old cultural and modern
Right.
segments
Yeah,
of this
Gurudev,
world.
Gurudev वही बोलते हैं, बहुत सुंदर बोलते हैं, we need to deepen our roots and broaden our horizon. So हमको
Definitely.
जड़ों को गहरा करना है, हेरिटेज को गहरा करना है, और साथ ही अपनी विचारधारा को विशाल करना है।
और सबसे बड़ी चीज अजोरी, एक और चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि मैंने कभी भी कोई कल्चर को बढ़ते देखा ना,
हाँ,
तो राजा रवि वर्मा का आर्ट देखा ही यार।
हाँ,
मतलब मैं आपको एक बात बता रहा हूँ कि
हाँ,
पहले लोगों ने चीजों को क्रिएट करने के लिए प्रोत्साहन किया था, राजाओं ने, महाराजाओं ने
right.
कल्चरों को बढ़ाया, अपने
Sure.
देवी देवताओं के नामों को बढ़ाया। बट अब कोई ऐसी जगह आ गई है कि, या तो मैं कहूंगा कि बहुत सारी ऐसी विचारधाराओं को मैं अभी फेस कर रहा हूँ इस एरा में, जिसमें people are literate
हाँ,
but not literate as well. Why? Because they don't know the roots where it comes from. वो सरफेस की चीजों को सुन
बस
करके
बस,
उसके ऊपर अपनी धारणाएं बना लेते हैं।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा
We face that all the time. I face it
हूँ?
all the time. I know what you're
So
talking.
I am facing it every day nowadays in Bastar,
Yes,
that
yes,
it's difficult.
I know.
But
So
it was a nice
yes,
interaction, and
it was very, very interesting and extremely exciting, and we are very grateful. आपने अपना समय निकाला, और मेरे को सच में ऐसे लगा कि हम मैं अभी कैसे बोलूं अपने किसी भाई से बात कर रहा हूँ,
नहीं नहीं,
कि
it's a
देवी
pleasure.
भक्त है, और देवी उपासक के उससे, और द फैक्ट दैट आप रेगुलर सुदर्शन क्रिया करते हैं, दैट वाज वेरी 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 very amazing to know this. So I wish you all the best. Or
Thank you.
yeah, please, you're saying something.
And I was saying that कि it's always been a pleasure
हाँ
कि
जी,
गुरुदेव को देख लें, गुरुदेव
हाँ,
को सुन लें,
हाँ,
एंड बहुत अच्छी चीज ये हो रही आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के द्वारा, पूरी
हाँ जी,
संस्थान के द्वारा, कि आज ऑनलाइन चालू कर दिए हैं। इट बिकम्स
हाँ
अ
जी,
वेरी इजी एक्सेसिबिलिटी फॉर एनीवन।
absolutely, absolutely. So in these tough times, you have managed to stay tough and move forward. So wish you all the best, and thank you for all your time. A very good night.
गुड
आपको
नाइट।
आपका बहुत अच्छा, आपके लिए शुभकामनाएं, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि जल्दी से जल्दी हम लोग का दोबारा भेंट हो सकता है इस बार आश्रम में हो, या फिर कभी बस्तर में भी हो।
नहीं, जरूर जरूर आप आए, और आप लोग बहुत बहुत ख्याल रखें। कोविड-19 का बहुत ज्यादा ख्याल रखने की जरूरत है,
हाँ,
और हम जरूर मिलते रहेंगे आपसे।
जरूर जरूर।
And it was a very interesting, but we could not go into the major details. But sometimes
We will
we
we
will
will do a
we will try to catch up.
will personally maybe come down in times to come, and we will do a more detailed documentary sort of work, which maybe we
Yeah,
put down on. Let's see, we'll plan it out and discuss it. ठीक है जी?
yeah, surely. And we'll catch up with you, Jai Gurudev,
जय गुरु।
and hope Gurudev's blessings will always be with us and the royal family of Bastar. Thank you,
Absolutely,
Jai Gurudev.
जय गुरु, जय गुरु। तो आज हमारे साथ रहे कमल चंद्र Bhanjadev ji, or it was very, very interesting and very, very enlightening. And so let's see whom we will meet next time. But at the same time, such a interesting things that we have shared. इतनी अच्छी सुंदर चीजें जो आपको आज जानने को मिली हैं. I would request all my viewers to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe to our channel और notification bell दबाना ना भूलें. हाँ. So see you next week. नमस्कार. जय हिंद. जय भारत. जय गुरु.